Raise your hand if your government plan would provide coverage for undocumented immigrants.
People at the top down there at the White House are being mean and ugly. The rest of us need to get behind a little compassion.
So even if the American taxpayer has to float the bill, you still think that that's important for us to do?
Seems like you're leading the question. Are you DC and F? Let me look you up. No, I don't want to talk to you anymore.
All right, thank you. Have a great day. Hi, this is Matt Miller from the Daily Caller News Foundation, and we're out here in D.C. asking people if they support giving free government health care to undocumented immigrants. Let's go see what they have to say.
Everyone should have health care. If you're in here, you should. Might as well. Should they die?
I think they should receive free health care because if they are undocumented, chances are they might not even have a job. So that means that they won't even have money to take care of their basic healthcare issues, which means basically being alive. So I think regardless of where they're from or whether they have documents or not, I think everyone should have access to healthcare. So yeah, I would be agreeing.
Even if the American taxpayer has to pay for it?
Well, how is it that other countries have free healthcare for every single person?
They have really high taxes.
Yeah.
Everybody is a human being, so if you're here, you have to take care of what's here. Just because they may be from another country doesn't mean you don't take care of them.
Well, I think I'd like to know how much money it costs to provide health care, because we're not going to turn people away. We're not going to let them die.
Yeah, I think it's a good cost, and you would definitely get more people into the country in a safer way.
You think even if the American taxpayer had to pay for it?
I think it's still a good cost. I mean, we still have to pay for different things, we still have to pay for people that don't have the resources so that the government can help them out. So I wouldn't see why not.
You support free health care for everyone. I think everybody has the right to get the medical attention they need, and it might hurt some people in the pocketbook, but if you work it right, everything should even out if everybody pays their share.
So, America takes in about 1 million illegal immigrants every year. You think that the American taxpayer could support that kind of quantity?
If we wanted to, I think we could support every single person on the planet.
I think that it would be unacceptable to say that based on your immigration status is going to define whether you live or die.
They're in our country, and everyone's health is dependent on everyone having good health. And if they're not treated, then they can have problems that would affect other people.
I just think that it's crazy if you're sick, to not be able to get care.
Whoever you are.
Yeah, well, whoever you are. I mean, oh, whoops, I can't go to this emergency room. I'll have to drag my broken leg to a different one.
Right.
We just want to know if people support government health care being provided to undocumented immigrants.
I do support that, yeah. Both of my parents are from West Africa, Liberia, so that's definitely a big thing to me.
So even if the American taxpayer has to kind of float the bill?
I'm okay with that. I mean, you sound like an immigrant, are you? No, you're not? Yeah, I thought you were. Are you really? Oh, you sound like you're from some Eastern European country.
I don't go to the doctor because I don't think I can afford it. Fortunately, I'm not sick. But if I get sick, I'm not going to go to the doctor. I'm just going to die at home.